Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson. Today, we review food vocabulary and the present simple affirmative through writing practice.
Great. I want to practice writing simple sentences.
First activity. Listen and write. You listen to a short text and write the words you hear. Second activity. Make a sentence. You use key food words to create your own simple sentences.
So, I listen, write, and then make my own sentences.
Exactly. Nexo. Let us start with listen and write. Listen and write. This activity is a dictation. I will read a text aloud, and you write what you hear.
Okay. I will listen carefully and write.
Step 1. Listen to the whole text. First, listen to the complete text to get a first idea. Step 2. Write what you hear. During the dictation, write the words and sentences you hear. Step 3. Check and correct. Compare your writing with the original text and fix mistakes. Have your notebook or keyboard ready.
I am ready.
Now, listen to the dictation. Every day, Mia eats bread and cheese for breakfast. Her brother Ben likes rice and chicken for lunch. Their mother makes soup in the evening. The family is happy, and they often eat salad with fish on Friday. Mia drinks water, and Ben washes the dishes after dinner. You have heard the whole text. Now I will read it slowly, part by part. Are you ready, Nexo?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Let us begin. Every day. Mia eats bread and cheese for breakfast. Her brother Ben likes rice and chicken for lunch. Their mother makes soup in the evening. The family is happy. And they often eat salad with fish on Friday. Mia drinks water. And Ben washes the dishes after dinner. Well done, everyone. Nexo, how was the dictation for you?
It was good, but I need to check some words.
Perfect. Now, compare your writing with the original text and correct any mistakes. Make a sentence. Now we move to make a sentence. You will build 6 sentences, one for each main word. You can use 20 helper words and try to use the present simple affirmative.
I can write simple food sentences.
First, see an example. We will listen to Nexo do the exercise so you have a clear model. Then, make your sentences. You create your own sentences with the main words and the helper words. Nexo, are you ready to try the example?
Yes, I am ready. Bread. I eat bread for breakfast. Rice. She likes rice with chicken. Egg. He eats an egg every morning. We have cheese in our sandwich. Soup. My mother makes soup on Monday. Chicken. They eat chicken at home.
Excellent work, Nexo. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Good job. Good job. You practiced writing with food words and the present simple affirmative. Keep your sentences and review them later. See you next time.